Tender coconut is an unripe young green coconut containing large amount of sweet, clear, electrolyte-rich water with a thin layer of soft jelly-like edible meat inside. Unlike mature brown coconut, which have less liquid and thick, hard flesh. It is low in calories and contains minimum fat and sugar, making it popular wellness drink, eaten fresh or used in tropical beverage and desserts. The coconut with brown spots contains pulp, and that pulp can be used to prepare various recipes. You need a special equipment to take out the pulp and cut the coconut. The vendor has an equipment called katari that we do not have at home, so I have got the pulp from the vendor. He has taken it out and given it to us. While the skin has been cut by the vendor, we are taking out the juice from it. This is just to show you what is a tender coconut, and this is the amount of liquid obtained from the tender coconut. Today I am going to make tender coconut dip. This no onion garlic vegan recipe can be used in various ways, and I think I can use it as a spread as well. Enjoyed it thoroughly. This is tender coconut. It is very soft in nature. As you can see, it's moving like this. Tender coconut is obtained from Daab. The final stage of tender coconut is 8 months when you get the fresh water, and by 12 months the shell becomes hard, and this is what you get after the tender coconut matures at 9 to 12 months. The meat obtained from this coconut is hard. However, it is high in calories and saturated fat and should be consumed in small amounts. It builds strong bones and support metabolism. Too much consumption can result in weight gain, stomach upset, gas. So you could see that process of taking out water from both the types of coconut, it is different. The quantity of water obtained is also variable. The green coconut had more water and this brown coconut has less. We will strain this liquid and then we will use it. This is the quantity of water obtained from 2 coconuts. It's a little less than half a glass, and we will use it in our recipe. You can drink it, you can do anything with it. The easiest way to break a coconut is just with a force. You just bang it in the floor and it will break into 2 parts. So this one more or less came out clean. So this pulp which we are getting from the brown coconut is hard. It is different from the one which we have obtained from the tender coconut. I am just trying to show you the difference between the tender coconut and the matured coconut. So now you can see how the side by side difference. You can see the left side, you can see the tender coconut, and the right side you can see mature one. The recipes obtained from both will be different. There will be a difference in the texture and taste as well. This tender coconut you can use for making various recipes. You can grind it and then make it into a paste, and then you can use it in any gravy. You can make tender coconut ice cream as well. So just try it. Let's see how it is grinded. Wow, it looks so creamy. I'll just show you with the spoon. Look at the texture. It's perfect. Now this can be used to make several dips, gravies, and whichever way you like. The tender coconut paste is quite smooth, and even if there are a bit of chunks, it will taste delicious and soft. We are taking a little bit of the paste and then we are going to make a dip. The rest I will be using in a different recipe, and in this I am adding basil. Basil gives a good flavor. You can add any flavor of your choice, and with that I will add chili flakes. Chili flakes will give a kick to the dip. The amount of spices is according to your choice. You need to mix them thoroughly and then you need to taste them. Just at this point you just look at the dip. The white color, the green basil and the red chili flakes. How beautiful they are looking. Just ensure that all the spices are infused nicely. You can see this is the dip. I'll just taste a little and tell you. Perfect. Tender coconut is sweet in nature. I have just added chili flakes and basil, and you can add salt to it. I have not added any extra salt. It's a dip, simple dip. What else can you add in this dip? Let's proceed.
Just add a pinch of salt. That is optional. And give it a thorough mix. You can add lemon juice as well. This is lemon, just a few drops of lemon. That's it. And give it a thorough mix. With simple ingredients, totally veg, vegan, and it's delicious.
So let's taste it.
So I'm tasting the dip. Adding salt and lemon juice additional gives an extra touch to it, and it is really very delicious. You can make this dip. This is totally vegan. No ginger, garlic, onions have been used in it, so you can make it in any occasions. This no onion garlic vegan recipe can be used in various ways, and I think I can use it as a spread as well. Enjoyed it thoroughly.